Looking for a great place to work and play? We're looking for nurses at Bartlett Regional Hospital in Juneau, Alaska. When you work at Bartlett, your playground is the great Alaskan outdoors.
Juneau you get to be in one of the most beautiful places in the world. Even on a rainy day, it's a stunning environment. And if you're an active person, there are trails kind of crawling all over hills, and I used to have a background in sea kayaking, so there's an ocean right there. And being an active person, I wanted to be outside as much as possible. And as nurses, we're work hard, play hard people. We work our 3-4 days, and then we get to have this amazing environment outside. It's a place where everyone knows your name in some ways. At least it is for me, and I appreciate that. But know coming in that you're going to build your confidence. You're going to have incredible people to work in a team with, and you're going to learn a broad range of experiences. And I think that's really important. You don't necessarily have any sort of separation between doctors and nurses here. There's a more comfortable relationship. There's a more on a first name basis relationship. There is a more integrative relationship where you can not only help a doctor kind of drive the care, which I think all nurses want to do, but also you have a great resource of somebody who can help you if you need some help.
I hear horror stories sometimes from other places where there isn't the relationship that the nurses have with the doctors. But the relationship here is a very tight one. It's a very collegial atmosphere, and this is a fantastic physician group to work with. They're thoughtful, they're generous. You can always approach them with questions about anybody or anything.
I think one of the things that you're going to find is that we don't have a specialty. So if your plan is to be a highly actuated pick your NICU nurse, you're not going to necessarily have that here. You're going to be working with smaller ratios, so you actually get to know your patients better, but you are not going to have the same sort of high-paced fancy hospital experience that you would have in a small community hospital. One of the special things about working in a small hospital is that, especially in the CCU, we have incredibly good patient ratio. I would say I probably have the best nursing job you can have in Juneau, in that you've got a small hospital with a big responsibility. You're a jack of all trades and an expert in none. In any given day, I can be working in the critical care unit and asked to go help in the emergency department. That flexibility, that experience, I think is invaluable. And then that sense of teamwork, that you're going to help out one of your coworkers, and when you nurse in a small community like you do here, it's that sense of teamwork and helping out your coworkers is really important.
This is a really sweet little community. It's the perfect mix of size and access. Most places that you get great outdoor access, you don't have access to great jobs, and it's usually one or the other. But being someplace where there's great skiing and great jobs at the same time, plus hunting, fishing, and anything else you're into, and it's got a great little art community. There's good music scene. You don't usually get the whole shebang, and this is someplace that really does that.
Community, opportunity, and a great place to work and play. Interested in applying? Find us online.